So tonight is the night, the last leg of this journey, and it's a little bittersweet. I'm definitely looking forward to completing this and hopefully getting the skunk out of this trip and successfully landing a fish tonight. And most folks might say, well, are you getting a little frustrated? You've walked almost 20 miles and you haven't landed a striper. I've hooked a couple, but I've lost them. But how can you be frustrated or at all anything but at ease when you have legs that have carried you that far and you're surrounded by this? Pretty incredible landscape. So I hope you have a good Saturday night, and let's hope I have some good news to report on in the morning.